Hi, so I'm going to show you how to do half double crochet today. This is what it looks like. That's 4 rows of half double crochet. And I'll show you the step-by-step guide on how to do it. So to start with, you need to do a chain. If you're not sure how to do a chain or a slip knot, then have a look at my other videos. They'll show you exactly how to do it. So you get your chain, and with your chain, you never go into that stitch. Always go into the next stitch down. Okay, so never that one, always the next one down. So get your hook, and then for the half double crochet, the yarn has to be in front of your hook. Some stitches it has to be behind. For the half double crochet, it has to be in front. So we're gonna put the yarn in front of your hook. Gonna pop it into your slip stitch, and then pop the yarn over and pull it through. So you'll have 3 loops on your hook, and then we're just going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of them loops, and that's a half double crochet. So I'm going to show you it again. So yarn at the front of your hook, pop it into your chain stitch, yarn over and pull through, 3 loops, yarn over and pull through again. And that's your half double crochet. So I'll show it one more time. Yarn in front of the hook, pop your hook into the slip stitch, and then you're just guiding the yarn through that loop. So you've got 3 on, and then you're guiding the yarn through all 3. And that is how you do your half double crochet.